teachers, we're working on representing team numbers in our Oracle books, Module 1, Lesson 7. Students, take out your pencils, get at least 20 counters, your writing notebook, and your Oracle book, pages 20 and 21. Also, go ahead and get crayons, markers, or something to write with. When you have all these materials ready, go ahead and go to the next slide. But until then, pause, then let's get ready. Alright, class, today we will represent team numbers using those Make 10 frames, counters, and place value understandings. What I want you to do are 4 things inside your journal. Number 1, write what you think our learning will be for the day, or write what I say at the very top. 2, think about what the word represent means to you. And 3, discuss and tell someone what represent means to you if someone's there at home. And the last one, number 4, I want you to write what represent means to you. So, write what we're learning. 2, think about what we're learning. 3, talk about what we're learning. And then 4, write what we're learning one more time. When you're ready, unpause this video and go to the next slide. Our vocabulary today, class, are 10 frame, counters, number track, position, greater than, sum, less than, representation, quantity, and value. Pause this video and match the colorful words and pictures to the red words. Unpause and check and see if you got them all right. Alright, class, vocabulary. Our 10 frames are shown below. Our counters we count with, and number tracks are just like a 10 frame. When we talk about position, it's where we are as a sum of 1s or 10s. Greater than is more, and we use add 1 sometimes. Sum is that answer to an addition problem. Less than means less, or minus 1 sometimes. Representation means to use pictures to show something. Quantity and value are about the same for us in first grade, and that just means an amount. Did you get them all right? Pause the video, discuss, and go to the next one. As always, parents and family members, if you need extra help with words and things we're learning here in first grade, pause the video and with the phone, scan these pictures to get some more tutorials. If not, keep on going to the next slide and we'll keep on learning. Again, class, we are representing team numbers. Think, team, where have I heard that word before? Here, class, I have a Make 10. How many blue dots are on this frame? Let's go ahead and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. Now I know I have 10, but how can I make 12, 15, or even 18? If these are 10, how can I show that extra difference? That extra difference of 2, that extra difference of 5, or that extra difference of 18? Well, easily, I would just add some more counters. I'd start counting at 10 and count on. 11, 12. Count on. Now look at this picture. I know I have a Make 10 filled. Well, how can I start? Well, think about that count on. Think about it, and then let's get started. Well, again, if I'm counting on from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I could write the number of counters I see here, but where would I put each number? Think about that and write it in your journal. That's right. I would write the numeral 1 in the tens column, and the numeral 6 in the ones. 16, 1 10, 6 ones. Alright, class, it's time to work together so I can do some work and you can too. Before we get started, I want you to get ready. And your materials that you're going to need, your math notebook for notes and examples, pencils, erasers, markers, and crayons. And again, you're going to need those counters and some time to work. Pause the video. Once you have the work and the materials ready, let's get started learning. Alright, class, and again, we are representing 10 numbers, make 10 frames, counters, and making sure we understand those place notes. Really quickly, to my right are my counters. Above, I have my place value understanding with 10s and my 1s. And remember, work along. Just pay attention completely. Here's my number line, 0 to 20. Here are my make 10 frames. We're going to be working with making those place value understandings, composing those team numbers. Our numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We don't need to work on make 10s because we fill this complete make 10 up. That's 10 and less. We have that. We have our fingers. We have everything we need. Let's work first on making 10. But before we get there, let's make sure we understand place value altogether and make 10. My numeral is 7. So I'm going to go ahead and count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My numeral is 8. I'm going to go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can start with the numeral and fill it with the make 10, or we can start with the make 10 pictorial representation and fill the numeral. Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the numeral for that is 9. This one, we automatically know it's completely filled, so we can say 10. Let's be careful and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quickly, that's how we make 10 with numerals 10 or less. Let's go ahead and go on our learning for today. What I want you to do is pause this video right now. I want you to make yourself a number sentence, a sentence stem in your journal. Write this exactly as it is. Draw your number line, and then draw 2 make 20s. Make 10, make 10, make 10, make 10, make 20s. Pause the video, copy this down, and then come back to me. Let's get started. Again, we are representing 10 numbers with our make 10 frames, our counters, and those place value understandings. So let me go ahead and think. 13. Well, if I don't know what 13 is, I can look at my 1s and 10s and count up to their 10s. Or I can just go ahead and draw in the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There it is, perfectly right there. If I ever get stuck, I can just match up the boxes right there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Easy as that. Let's go on the other side. We can start with a pictorial representation and then have to find that numeral. Again, I can count if I know my numbers really well, or I can align my finger to every dot and count along and then find the number there. I'm going to go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now I can go ahead and write my numeral 17 if I know how to write it. If not, I'm going to go back to my number line, just count on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's 15, 16, 17 right there. I can count it in my head, I can count it out loud, and just match it up. This is what we're doing in class. One more we do for us. What I want you to do is pause the video and show me how to make 10 of 15. Right now, pause it, make your place value chart and your number tracks, and then come back to me. Awesome, let's go ahead and do it. Check your answers with mine. I know that 15 is a sum of 110 and 5 more ones. Let me go ahead and count them out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 5 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, should have shown me at least 12 counters. Did you get it right? Alright, let's do another one. If my numeral is 15, show me with counters and show me on your sentence stem what the numeral 15 is a sum of in terms of tens and ones. Pause this video. When you're ready, come back to me. Alright, here's our numeral 15. We should have 10 ones and then 5 more ones. Check your answer and see if you put 15 counters down correctly. If you did, high five someone. Let's go to the next one and see how much more we can do. Pause the video and let's get ready. This next one I'm going to give you is a bit more difficult, almost backwards. Remember, always use your number line. So at the make 20s, I have a certain amount of counters. I want you to count those counters and show me the tens and ones, and then write the sentence then. That number is a sum of blank tens and blank more ones. When you have that ready, unpause this video and let's see if you got it right. Alright guys, the answer was 19. Did you get it correct? If not, pause the video, go back and try it once more, but use my help right here on the front. If you got it correct, let's go ahead and go on to the next one. Alright class, so work I want you to do on your own. I want you to go open up your Oracle student pages and do pages 20, 21. Take a picture of it and upload it to our class for our teacher to see later on. Alright class, you've got one more you do on your own. Just like we did with those make tens and counters, at home I want you to go ahead and show me on those make tens and make 20 charts how you would compose 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 using our make 10 tables. Take a picture of that with an adult and upload it to our classroom. And always, don't forget your sentence stem. Pause the video, write down the word, and then I have a couple more slides for you. Hey class, last one here, like I said. Just like last time, we're working with that word represent. It's very, very important going to later grades and so on. Today we were working with representing those 10 numbers, and last time we represented those numbers 0 to 10. Be thinking about what represent means to show.